What's the meaning of autocratic? Autocratic. Autocratic.
Autocratic. Autocratic. Autocratic refers to a leadership style in which the leader has absolute power and authority over decision-making. This means that the leader makes decisions without considering the opinions of others or seeking their input. The result of an autocratic leadership style is often a lack of creativity, innovation, and engagement from team members, as they feel disempowered and undervalued. This can lead to reduced morale, decreased productivity, and higher levels of turnover. Additionally, an autocratic leader may be more focused on their own goals and interests rather than those of the organization, potentially leading to poor decision-making.